Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Friday night! Oh my gosh, you guys, if you are just joining me, welcome. I am an online Avon rep, and all of my information is below. If you order from my online store, shipping is free on $60, and the information to join Avon is also below. This weekend, though, Labor Day, Monday, free shipping on 25 plus. So if you've been wanting a couple little things from Avon, hold off until Monday when you can get that free shipping. So I am so excited, you guys. I have a giant box of Avon here. This includes products from the Avon convention, which we just went to virtually. Oh my gosh, Christmas at Avon is going to be wonderful this year. There are some of the Christmas products in here. I also bought a couple of bundles that they were selling to Avon reps. One of them was a 135th anniversary bundle that I paid $135 for, but I think it was worth like $800 or something. Super fun. So I'm just going to dig in. I don't even know what's in this box, but I know there's Christmas. At least I think there's Christmas. There's some Christmas. I don't remember which campaign they were doing Christmas in, but I know there's a lot of stuff in here. So this is a huge box. Let me dig in here. It's like Christmas today. I am so excited. Okay, you ready? Woohoo! Oh my gosh, there is a lot of stuff in here. Look at this! Oh my goodness. So some of this is the 135th anniversary bundle that I ordered. This might be some Christmas products. Yes, I see a Christmas product in here. Yay! And some of this is called the $100 My Way incentive that's for reps. So I actually got $100 in CBD products this time that I earned as a rep. There's all kinds of neat incentives for Avon reps. I actually really like the CBD Nourishing Body Cream and the concentrated. Works really well on my back, so I was so excited to get that. I am seeing a lot of perfume in here, you guys. Oh my goodness. So I got a Studio 1886 perfume. Check that out. I think this is from the 135th anniversary bundle. That's the one thing. They don't always put it together. But I know I didn't order this, so I'm 99% sure this is from the bundle I got from the convention. The Artisan Cherry Vetiver. This is awesome. I got a lot of this for Christmas gifts. The Ginza Stefani perfume. That is a good one. Oh my gosh, there's so much perfume in here, you guys. I got the Santal Musk Artisan. I know a lot of you order this one. And the Cherry Vetiver is one of my favorite perfumes. I'm actually keeping this one. And then I got two of the Leered perfumes. I got Sparkling Neroli, and I got the Bouquet de Freesia, which is a nice floral. I also got the, Mesmerize. This is the men's perfume. Check that out. It's actually cologne. I might give that to my husband. Christmas present. I should hide that from him. Okay, I gotta get space on my table here. What else did I get? Oh, I got a new. This is the Ultimate Supreme. Check that out. I got one of those. I got, oh my gosh, I love the vitamin C products. I got a, what is this? This is the Brightening Serum. I use these a lot. I've been gravitating a lot towards the Belief and the Brightening Serum. The Warming Peel I use a lot. I use this 3 to 4 times a week. I do feel like it gives my skin a nice glowing effect. And then I use the serum. And then, like I said, for moisturizing, I love the Belief. The Belief is my go-to. I also got, oh my gosh, I love this stuff, you guys. This is the Aloe, the Face Shop. I'm not going to open this. I might give this. This is the Aloe Lotion. This is really nice. What else did I get? I got the Esonax and New Hydrofusion Serum. Got one of those. You can't see these too good because my lights are too bright. Oh, more vitamin C. I got a Brightening Serum Check that out. These are nice big bottles. And then I got the new, this is the Daily Beauty Defense Broad Spectrum Sunscreen Lotion. Oh, that is awesome. Always good to have a sunscreen. And then I got, check it out, I got the new Platinum Day Cream. Check that out right there. And this is going to be a gift. I know I'm going to get that. I know who I'm going to get that to. Little Christmas preview. This is not all of the Christmas stuff. I was kind of wondering if I was going to get more of the Christmas stuff. I did get the hand creams though, so this is exciting. I pre-ordered a bunch of neat Christmas stuff that should be coming in 2 weeks. But so far, I got the hand creams. Avon hand creams for Christmas are amazing stocking stuffers. So there are 4 different versions here: the Moisture Therapy, the Care, the Skin So Soft, and there's another version of the Care, but they're so cute this year. I love the packaging, and I think I showed you guys this already. Peppermint Delight is coming for Christmas in the bubble bath. The, oh my gosh, this smells so good. The mist, the cream, and this actually is creamy vanilla, white chocolate, and chilled raspberries with cool freesia. This is an amazing peppermint scent. I'm going to stock up on those in the bubble bath. 2 more perfumes. Check it out. I got 2 more in the 1886 collection here. And then, let me dig into here. There is more. Oh, this is more CBD. This is the Cooling Body Roll-On Gel. I actually really like that product too. I got a Green Goddess Facial Oil. I do use this about once a week. I got the new Clinical Infinite Lift. You can't see this very well. My lighting is terrible. And then throw the bag. Oh, I love these CBD. These are actually multi-balm sticks. They have a jasmine scent and a geranium scent, but they kind of relax you a little bit. I keep one in my purse, and then you kind of put it on your wrist, and just the smell is very relaxing. And then, oh, I got one, check it out. I got one Christmas Moisture Therapy Intensive Healing Repair Lip Balm. It's Christmas. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get more Christmas stuff. And then actually the rest of the box is, check it out, I love the Avon Disposable masks. I, for some reason, cannot wear like a cloth mask out. It just bothers me. But I've been actually using these for like almost 2 years now, sadly. With all this going on with the pandemic, I feel like we're buying more masks now. But I buy these in a 5-pack. Check it out. They do sell them in a 5-pack, and then I always stock up. So I'm super happy. I'm going to put these back in here. That I got those. And then, what is this? Oh, yes, I bought my, you guys know I can't live without my Elastine for Poly hair products. This just came back in stock. I got the Polythera Rejuvenating Hair Mask. I love this. This better not ever go out of stock again. This is my go-to for a hair mask. And then I also got, oh, this is exciting, you guys. Check it out. This is going to be the catalog for campaign 22. Check this out. Super pretty. Supercharged. They've got, these are Esonex, LNX, LX, and LX new clinical boosters. So what I really find exciting in here, though, is there's a lip event going on in campaign 22. Check it out. $2.99 lipstick. So if you're going to get lipstick, hold off until campaign 22, which should be around in about, 2.5, 3 weeks. $2.99 lipstick all over the place here. I am super excited for this event. This is the Tint Glow $2.99. So huge lip event. I had to get the dog. And then finally, check it out. Oh my gosh, you guys. Campaign 23, which I think is like the 3rd week of September. Look at what we have. What's new? The most glittery time of the year. Christmas is coming. I will be doing a more extensive Christmas preview, but you can see here a couple of other products that are coming for Christmas. Absolutely exciting. I think this Christmas is going to be one of the best ever. This is the brand new Peppermint Collection I was talking about here. Lots of neat stuff. There's the hand cream, home decor, just so much neat stuff. Jewelry. I gotta go look at this. This is exciting. And then we've got the Lux It Up. They're still doing the free Live Out Loud. So that's in campaign. That goes all the way through to campaign 22. So anyway, lots of cool stuff coming from Avon. Hit the subscribe button. I will be back with a lot more videos in the fall showcasing all the Christmas stuff. Christmas is my favorite time of year at Avon. So I'll definitely be reviewing everything coming for Christmas. So anyway, have an awesome night. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.